Recording in progress.
Hi there, good afternoon. So I've been working on this and testing for some time. Yeah, I think it's fixed now. So let me show you basically what's the difference I'm using in terms of settings. So for this test, I will use 4 and minimum target 0, just so that I can see all the plots. So trade error number 4, and let me just save it. Been testing with Trader 3, but I will test this time for this demonstration with Trade Area 4. And I will quickly get the output window. I have added some additional print for your better understanding. Right, so I will wait for the 4th because that's the trade error number, and then we'll take it from there. So let me just make it a little bit large. Okay.
Order canceled.
Right, so we have our first MFE, and I have fixed this, serial number. So the important part,
Order submitted.
looking at this keyword, which is average. So currently, until it reaches that trade area limit, is going to calculate on the average of, the list. And it will keep adding because so far we have got just one, so it's just printing just one. It looks like it's going to be 0, next one.
Order canceled.
There we go. So the second one is 0. So that's our average.
Order submitted.
So this is going to be the third one, but our logic will check for the fourth one. Then it will start, using the weighted average because that's the trade area number we typed in the settings. And I've kind of added a few more prints to get more insights about, how this is changing in between the weighted average and how it's collecting data. So that will give you more insights about the calculations for more accuracy, which I'm going to show you on the manually on the calculator as well, just for better understanding.
Order canceled.
Right, so now
Order submitted.
we have our third one. So far until third, we have got our average, okay, which is 2166-ish. And that's kind of like the distance for entry and the dynamic plot. And as soon as we have our fourth MFE, the calculations and everything is going to change. The only tricky part is this latest
Order canceled.
40%. I need to check.
Order submitted.
There we go. So we have our fourth. So we have like latest 40% is taking the integer. So it has set it has divided by 2 and 2 because we have got trade array just for 4. So that's our basically that's how it's working. So we have this. This is basically the original one. And as you can see, so the latest one, okay, the latest one is 39 and 57. Okay, so that is our 39 and 57 is set for a higher set, and it is supposed to add 80% weight for each of them. So let me see if it did. Okay. Right, so let's see. We have, okay, so 39. Oops. I'll use keyboard. So 39 times it is supposed to give a weight of 80%. So we have got 31.2. So that's what we have here. Okay. And 57, it was also should be given 80% weight. So we have got 45.6, and these are basically the rest of it, because these are the old ones. Okay, initially it was taken. So it's supposed to get 20% weight. So 1.6. And we have got a 0. And that would get 0 is 0. Now, if we, so at that point, it has got weighted MFEs. And if you get an average of that, so that would give you 31.2, 45.6, plus 0, plus 1.6, and average. So that is 19.6. So that is our weighted. So this one is the keyword. Okay, so when it gets into that weighted section, it will start writing weighted. And I hope that kind of explains you now even better how these are distributed. So if you had like 5 trade area, then high set would be 2 and the lowest set would be 3. Okay, because latest 40% is the higher set, which means like I would give it 80% weight, okay, in terms of weight distribution, and the rest is 20%. I hope this explains. I think this video helps you. I've been working on the other ticket as well, but I'm going to send you this version so that you can start testing. Thank you. Bye-bye.